So our next string care package item is going to be an Orchestra mouse on a bracelet. So here's my mouse, and my mouse is sitting on top of this slap bracelet. And what use this has for your string students is it can be a pretty fun tool for convincing them to maintain their straight wrist when they're building their violin hand. This stops them from wanting to do the pancake. I can also use this to teach my students that they need to have an open thumb tunnel, because the mouse might want to come off, and this mouse is detachable, and the mouse might want to come and hide inside the cave, or may want to come out the tunnel, and that way we keep our hand loose and in a good framework. For the cellos, the mouse might want to be able to see. So one of the issues we have with our cellos is they don't want to turn their hand. But if I have my mouse sitting on top, I want to be able to have the mouse look at the camera. So the mouse wants to see the camera. Another way we say this is show me your watch. But this way we can keep our mouse up, and we can do that for cello or bass. There are a bunch of other uses for this, and I'll let you explore it. But right now I'm going to teach you how to make your very own mouse bracelet tool. So what you want to get are some slap bracelets. So these are easily found online. They're very inexpensive, or can be if you find the right ones. And you also are going to need to get some Velcro. So these little Velcro tabs, they're sticky and they just pull apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mouse and a piece of Velcro, and I'm going to go ahead and put that Velcro on the bottom of my mouse. And I am putting the fuzzy part of the Velcro on the mouse. It would really help the life of the use of this Velcro in the mouse if you also were to sew it on. Again, I'm not a really crafts person. This is a cat toy. I just found some cat toys and bought them in bulk. Again, very inexpensive. This one has a little rattle in it, and actually I was planning on using it for maybe some rhythm activities and maybe some pre-vibrato motion right away that we can do. So this is our little mouse, and the mouse just simply needs to connect. I'm going to stick my other piece of Velcro onto the slap bracelet, somewhat near an end, okay? And then once I've done that, the mouse is now detachable and on my bracelet. So I can now utilize this in my string instruction, and the student has their very own Orchestra mouse. So that is this tool. Lots of things that you can do.